There are three types of collisions in the game. 1. When you move towards your opponent and you're offensive. 2. When your opponent moves towards you and you're defensive. And 3. When you both move towards each other and you're both offensive and defensive. This applies to all bays and is a fundamental part of battles, as each collision has different results. Observing each collision and the amount of stamina and/or burst damage done will help you make the best decisions. For instance, you can stall for the right collision in order to burst your opponent. Understanding collision types is important in techniques like buffer, trigger attack, double strike, and stalling. There are more details in the description below. Please hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends so you can have fun battles. Goodbye and keep blading.